and apathy killed a young Noida techie, Yuvraj Mehta. He fell into an pit that was dug up at a construction site without any proper barricading, and his death raised alarm bells across the country about how cheap a human life just could be in the country. And about 3 weeks later, a similar incident has jolted the capital, one that highlights how we are yet to learn any lessons. A young HDFC Bank employee, Kamal Dhyani, was on his way home last night when his bike reportedly fell in an open pit that was dug up by the Delhi Jal Board for maintenance work. The incident took place somewhere around midnight in Delhi's Janakpuri, and he had called his family at around 11:30 p.m. last night, informing them that he is on his way home, but unfortunately, he never reached.
श्री नरेश ध्यानी जी ये अराउंड 2:45 बजे रात को जनकपुरी थाने में आए थे कि हमारे भाई जो है वो रात को घर पे नहीं पहुंचे हैं, हमारी मदद कीजिए। तो जनकपुरी थाने ने उनके मोबाइल की पोजीशन ली थी, तो उनकी मोबाइल की पोजीशन हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट पार्क के आसपास की आ रही थी। तब थाने से हेड कांस्टेबल रामकेश जो है वो उनके बाइक के साथ बाहर निकले और उनके परिवार के साथ इनको ढूंढने में लग गए। लगभग 2-2.5 घंटे उन्होंने पूरा एरिया कंगाला, पोशंगीपुर पार्क हो, डिस्ट्रिक्ट पार्क हो या आसपास का एरिया हो, वो उन्होंने ढूंढा, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो मिले नहीं। आज सुबह 8 बजे जो है एक महिला ने पीसीआर कॉल की थी कि यहाँ पे ऐसे 15 फीट का गड्ढा खुदा हुआ है जिसमें एक आदमी गिरे हुए हिल नहीं रहे हैं। वी विल लुक इनटू ऑल द एस्पेक्ट्स वेरी सीरियसली। वी विल हैव अ वेरी प्रोफेशनल इन्वेस्टिगेशन इन दिस मैटर।
It was around 11:30 when Kamal left from his office. He was working Rohini, and right now you can see that the motorbike which was used by Kamal is being taken out from this pit, which is DL9CCJ9478. This is what the Delhi police is saying, that they have recorded the statement of the family member also, and every aspect is being looked into. But what eyewitnesses have told you 2 times now, that they also heard people screaming at this location. Kamal shift usually ends around 11 p.m. and around 11:30 he called his family members that he is coming out from the Janakpuri district center area. When the family began searching for Kamal, they searched at the Vikas police station around 12:30. The police asked the family for the photograph so that it can be circulated. Later, around 2:30 a.m., sub-inspector rank officer from the police station followed him along with him, and the location of the motorbike was tracked near a park which is very close to this location. But here what we can certainly see, while the Jal Board work is going on, that this particular pit is more than 20 to 25 feet. It is a very scary location, and certainly everything was open for the commuter. What led to this accident is certainly a very serious thing. The Delhi government has also constituted an inquiry committee which will be looking into this particular matter, while the Delhi police is probing all the aspects.
Now, in view of today's incident in Janakpuri, a circular has been issued. The concerned district magistrate, SDM, Joint Commissioner of Police Traffic, Deputy Commissioner of Police and senior officers from the PWD, which is the Public Works Department, and other senior officials will now jointly inspect the site and will issue necessary directions for appropriate action. Let's connect with Priyank on this. Priyank has been joining us live from the location. The motorcycle that also fell, that has now been recovered and has been taken out as well. Priyank, what is happening behind you? Are they now putting up tarpaulins and they are now putting up reflectors or barricades so that commuters know that this is an open pit?
Pravesh Sharma has just reached here. He has come here for inspection. And we would like to show you that this is the particular location where the Jal Board was going on. Certainly, it's a very scary location where we were trying to also, look into that aspect, that what could have led. Sir, you have ordered an inquiry, sir. He's trying to talk to the officials. But look at this location, Amita. It's a 25 feet deep location where the biker was coming, and suddenly he fell into that. What Delhi police has also maintained, that they have been taking assistance of the Delhi Jal Board. We can hear the chanting against Pravesh Sharma, which is coming up from the other side. There are few of the people who have been chanting against Pravesh Sharma. But from a wide angle itself, you can clearly see that what is the situation, how Kamal could have fallen into this particular area. is certainly a matter of investigation. Jal board inquiry is still going on. What we have got to know from Ashish Sood, the minister here in the Delhi government, that they have ordered the chief engineer to follow this particular investigation.
All right, criticism from the Aam Aadmi Party that has been coming in, but currently on the spot, Parvesh Verma is there, and he seems to be inspecting when it comes to this open pit where Kamal unfortunately lost his life because his family was running from pillar to post, right from one police station to another all night, hoping to get some details about his whereabouts. However, earlier this morning, they were told that he is no more after a PCR call was made of a body now being found in an open pit in Janakpuri.
एक्चुअली कमल जो काम करता था रोहिणी में एचडीएफसी बैंक में काम करता था, तो उसकी जो शिफ्ट थी वो फ्लक्चुएशन बेसिस पे होती थी, रोस्टर चेंज होते रहते थे, रोज उसके जो टाइमिंग थी शिफ्ट होती थी, कभी 12 to 9 होती थी, कभी 2 to 11, तो कभी नाइट शिफ्ट हो जाती थी उसकी। तो उसके अलावा कल जो उसकी शिफ्ट थी वो 2 to 11 वाली थी, तो 11 बजे वो ऑफिस से निकल चुका था, 11:15 पे वो पार्किंग से निकल चुका था, मैंने ऑफिस जाके कंफर्म कर लिया था। फिर 11:53 पर मेरी उनसे बात हो गई थी, उसने कहा था मैं इस डिस्ट्रिक्ट सेंटर पहुंच चुका हूँ, 10 मिनट में घर आ जाऊंगा।
रास्ते में बात हुई थी? हाँ,
11:53 में
उनकी बाइक यहाँ पे मिली। हाँ, बताया।
हाँ, फिर उसके बाद मेरी उनसे लास्ट टाइम बात हुई कि मैंने कहा चल आराम से आजा भाई, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है ऐसी। उसने कहा चलो ठीक है मैं आ रहा हूँ। फिर उसके बाद मैंने उसको 12:30 के बाद फोन किया क्योंकि काफी टाइम हो चुका था, वो आया नहीं था। फिर मेरे को थोड़ा डाउट होने लग गया क्योंकि उसका फोन पूरा रिंग जा रहा था।
डिस्ट्रिक्ट सेंटर से मुश्किल से 2 मिनट लगे यहाँ पर।
हाँ, 2 मिनट, डिस्ट्रिक्ट सेंटर से बिल्कुल 2 मिनट है यहाँ पे। तो फिर उसके बाद उसका कॉल तो लग रहा था, बट उसके बाद क्या नाम है, कॉल वो उठा नहीं रहा था।
Now, the Delhi Jal Board has expressed condolences over the incident, saying that a probe committee has been formed where it has promised action if negligence is found and urged the public to report unsafe sites on its toll-free helpline. Well, that seems to be the response that is now coming from the Delhi Jal Board there, where they seem to be now extending their condolences as far as to Kamal's family. But all of this, could it have been prevented? Because this was a pipeline rehabilitation site. This was a Delhi Jal Board site where the work was being done, where the maintenance work was being done. Then why no proper barricading or reflectors for those people who were driving late at night was put up? Priyank, there seems to be several lapses there. Now, as far as overcoming those lapses are concerned, this issue or this incident cannot be brushed under the carpet.
Yes, certainly, Amita, that's what we are trying to ask Parvesh Verma, who is here. Parvesh Verma, 2 minutes. We'd like to ask many questions, Amita, but let's media cameras get settled on first of all. But the fact of the matter is this area was kept open. The kind of barricade which should have been there was not there. There was certainly an open area which was certainly there. Mr. Verma, what about the safety situation?
Kejriwal! Hi, hi! Kejriwal!
Why this area was not properly covered, sir? The barricades were there, but it was half open. The barricades were there, but it was half open.
Give me 2 minutes. I will speak to you.
Certainly. So Parvesh Verma has gone for the inspection. We'll wait for him to come out and so that he can actually assess the situation, Amrita. But looking at the kind of protest which has also started here, we'll have to wait for a few more moments. But while talking about this particular location, I would like my video journalist Dilip to once again show this particular aspect where we have seen that it was a huge pit. It was approximately around 20 to 18 feet deep pit, which has led to this unfortunate death of this victim. In this particular incident, Kamal was going back home, but Kamal could not because the kind of pit which was there has led to this kind of situation. Protests have started. There are many individuals who have been protesting here, Amita, but during this particular protest, we will certainly say that the main issue gets diverted. Those individuals who have lost their life somewhere or other loses hope for justice. Right now, I would like to once again show you, Amita, because Parvesh Verma has left. I would like to show to my viewers that what exactly is the situation. Kamal, you just be there. Be there. I'll show you, Amita, if you're there on the line. I'm using this airstrip.
Go very close to
Amita,
the
are
pit.
you there? Yes, certainly, Amita. I'm using this particular airstrip and I will try to show to our viewers that how exactly this could have happened. We are trying to, put it down so that we can actually see that how deep this is. Here we are not talking about 1 or 2 feet. People have died after hitting a small pit hole also on the streets because the bikers are not that much protected as the vehicles are. It's going to be 20 feet deep. This area is 20 feet deep. Can you imagine? And there was no proper barricade. Even the barricades were there. The area was kept not properly covered. There was a big passage in between the barricade, which could have led to this particular situation. We are trying to pull it up. It will take a while for us to do that. So can you imagine how is it possible? Even if they could have been the foul play angle, how is it possible a man in the national capital can come here, he can fall down and no one could hear about it? The family members have also raised a serious allegation. Amita, the family members have been saying that there could be foul play because the brother was aware about the route. He knew that what route he had to take. He knew that this area was not properly
Well, all
covered.
of these
He knew
angles remain
that
for the police to investigate further, but it is unfortunate. And as far as this incident is concerned, due to negligence, we are getting to know as far as the death of Kamal is concerned in this very unfortunate incident being reported in Janakpuri, Delhi. With that, we head into a short break.